Happy Sunday Funday, Stampers! Today I wanted to share with you some organizational tips, and we're going to start off with my stamp storage. Now, of course, you're looking at the wonderful candy machine because in the studio there's always sweet treats for those who are in attendance. But of course, we haven't had anyone stamping in the studio in a very long time, so that will definitely need a refresh. I guess this is proof that I haven't been snacking on all this sugar since you last were here. Now, I'm just going to turn you over here. These are my cabinets in which I store my wonderful crafting stash. Now, of course, you're getting a little sneak peek of my office desk. I keep some things there for while I'm working during the day. But I wanted to share with you the stamp sets. And so really I have one cabinet that has all my current products along with some others. So there's my cabinet. I love it. I have a little basket in the bottom that holds my Stamparatus and my paper trimmer. And then of course I got a little storage for free gifts. That's kind of just above. And then some fabulous new products there. We've got the Dragonfly Punch along with some fun stamp sets. And yeah, so that is everything. Now it kind of seems a little random, although the top shelf is supposed to be main catalog products. You might see a few things in there that are from the last January to June catalog, which I need to rotate out. The next shelf is what's current, my new catalog products. I haven't bought a whole lot yet, actually, and so I haven't rotated those out either. So we'll have to do another one of these, I guess, in a little bit. But that's how I store my fun stamp sets. And then I do rotate them out, my favorite ones that I want to keep, so the ones that won't go into a BOGO sale in the summer. I'm just going to close that. Let me see if this is like... Well, it's a little messy, but whatever, you can take a look. That's like my other stash, but all my alphabets that I don't want to part with because we have very few in the catalog. And then my other retired stuff that I'm not ready to part with yet. You guys see that pirate set? My gosh, I don't know if I will ever let that go because it reminds me of Pirates of the Caribbean. Makes me want to go watch the series all over again, and I'm sad I have no little kids to make fun pirate cards for. So if you're a pirate fan, let me know, because maybe that's an excuse for me to make a card. So then I just have some fun display stuff as a backdrop. Plus I usually decorate this up every season when we're in the studio. Haven't done that too much lately. Oh, and this is my really messy cupboard. You guys are really getting a peek. So this is my Christmas, but also my letter board, because you guys know I like making fun letter boards. And then the rest is just mess. So in fact, I'm not even going to open it up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're inspired to kind of sort through your stamp sets. I'd love to see pictures of how you store yours. So make sure you post a picture underneath this video so I can see how you store your stamp sets. Thanks everyone. Happy Sunday.